Okie dokie, here's another fun video about your TestNav. So this one is, we're going to walk through the tutorial about the different types of questions. So now that you know the little buttons and how to bookmark and review and go to the next questions and all that, we're going to look at what the different types of questions look like on your language arts test. So the first one is multiple choice. Yay, we know this one. For multiple choice, you'll have a question, and it is your job to pick the best answer. The main thing I want you to know about multiple choice is this. There is always going to be a kind of right answer and a really right answer. What that means for you is to read every question before you choose your answer. The other thing you need to think about is process of elimination. As you go through here, you can actually eliminate a question, which we'll talk about later in your little tools. So you can X them out. I know this isn't it. With multiple choice, once you find the really right answer, click it and you're good. Okie dokie. I don't want to talk anymore about multiple choice. Here we go. Constructed response in language arts and literacy. Holy moly, you better know what this is. A constructed response is a racer response. Racer. Restate the question. Answer it. Use quotes from whatever text has been provided to you, and then restate it again after you explain it. So you'll have a lot of space to type in here. You've got different tools like bolding, italicize, underlining, bullets, all that stuff. So they have a box where you write your answer. You'll type it in and use the keyboard, and spell check is available to help you fix your errors. See that? All right. Inline choice. So these questions require using one or more drop-down menu to answer the question. So they look a little different. So you will go, this is my blank inline choice question. So it'll give you a sentence like that, and you have to select the correct answer. So for this one, this is my first inline choice question. So I would make that sentence correct by selecting that answer. Order questions. This one is the one that I've seen some students get really confused about. So just a little side note, as your proctor during CMAS, even though all the rest of the year I'm here to help you and I can guide you, I can't during CMAS. I can't tell you how to use these tools. I can't tell you what kind of question this is. I certainly can't tell you anything about the content. So it's really important that we are aware of these first. So these kinds of questions ask you to move answer boxes. So you drag and drop. So it wants us to make this one least to greatest. So that means lowest number to greatest number. Well, I obviously know if I drag and drop the 1 here, I now have it in least to greatest order. 1, 2, and 3. That obviously won't be a question on language arts, but there will be some drag and drop things. Like they'll ask you to drag and drop cause and effect where they belong and things like that. Okay. Oh, this is the drag and drop, okay? So for this one, this is a math-brained one, but they have these in language arts too. So you drag and drop something where it belongs. So even numbers, 2. Whoopsie, whoopsie. So I'm just selecting it and dragging it, right? And I know the odd numbers are 1 and 3. And then once you have everything answered and where it belongs, that question's done. Hotspot questions. They ask you to select a picture or spot on a picture as an answer choice. So select the shape with 3 sides. Click on another shape to change your answer. So if you clicked on one and you're like, wait, that doesn't have 3 sides. This one has 3 sides. You can still change it. You can see which one was selected because it lit up in a bolder blue. Ooh, hot text. We will do this in language arts. So in these kinds of questions, it requires selecting text as your answer choice. So the options can be selected are surrounded by an outline like this. So these are your options. And then to change your answer, you just click it again. So like this, if this is our question, select 2 sentences from the text to the left Now select one of the sentences again to deselect it. So if this sentence was the answer, yay. But then I was like, oh, wait, that's not it. It's this one. That's how that works. So a question that may be asked is like, which sentence in this selection is a metaphor? And you would be like, oh, this sentence is the metaphor. I'll select it. Having fun yet? Fill in the blank is like the drop-down arrow one, except you have to type in the answer. That is certainly, I have no clue if that's the answer, but blah, blah, blah. See, it's like, right, 23. You're like, oh, wait, that's not it. It's a negative 54. So it's just, you just type in. That one's easy. Equation editor. I don't have to talk about this one. That's math, boo. All these are math. I don't want to do this. Nope, none of these are good for us. Okay, so all of these are on your math test. I'm focusing on language arts in here. So those should be all the different types of questions that you see in language arts. Okay, I got one more tutorial for you. Have fun with it, and then we're going to practice. Okay, bye.